All right, Tuesday, May 31st. Welcome back from Labor Day weekend. We're going to go further into the human body. We're going to move on and look at what carbohydrates are and how the forms they're found in food. We're going to understand why the human body needs carbohydrates, and we're going to perform chemical tests to determine the presence of carbohydrates in foods. To do that, we're going to conduct HBS Lesson 3 lab and review. You're going to chew a cracker and do some tests on sugar and starch using an enzyme called amylase. Wednesday, June 1st, the last month of school, still in the human body, only this time we're going to move further down the digestive tract. We want to know what mechanical and chemical digestion are, and two examples of an enzyme, because understanding mechanical and chemical digestion in the mouth is what we're after, and we want to know the purpose of an enzyme. And we're going to perform chemical tests to determine the effects of an enzyme on food. And in this case, we're moving on to the stomach as well in lessons 4 and 5. We're also going to see the effects of enzymes and acids in your stomach on hamburger and evaluate the differences between the mixtures. Thursday, the 2nd of June, continuing with our digestion, with this idea of mechanical and chemical digestion, moving from the mouth and focusing on the stomach. We're going to wrap up lessons 4 and 5. We need to analyze the results from yesterday in both the starch to sugar and the hamburgers in the test tubes, and come to some surprising revelations on whether acid is really an important factor in your stomach and food digestion. All right, Friday, June 3rd, the last day of activities around digestion, and that is lessons 6 and 7. So they're focused on diffusion and active transport and the way our bodies absorb nutrients. We look at different ways materials move across the membrane, as well as how nutrients are absorbed in the system, and we will be back to using models. Surprise, surprise. This unit is full of models. And that is HBS Lessons 6 and 7.